Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a bleach blonde retouch on my client today, and I'm going to show you the behind the scenes of this service. Before we start, don't forget to turn on your notifications and subscribe so you don't miss an upload. First things first, I gotta mix up my bleach. I go in with my Redken Flash Lift powder and 20 volume developer since we're doing an on-scalp application. As an insurance policy, I always use Olaplex in my bleach to make sure her hair doesn't overprocess or lose integrity. The name of the game when it comes to any bleach application is don't overlap. If you get bleach on hair that is already lifted, then it will overprocess and cause massive breakage. That's why I definitely take my time with these applications and try to be as thorough as possible, because even though you don't want to overlap, you also don't want to miss spots, because that would be freaking tragic. Alright, so I want to dive into the history of her hair since we've done this bleaching process a few times. This is the first time I had her in my chair. You can see her hair is around the same length and thickness now as the first time I saw her. That goes to show you that with the right stylist and care at home, your hair can not only survive but thrive with color. Our first go around, we did a blonde in the front and copper in the back. I love this because she sent me 2 inspo pictures and was like, let's combine them. I love when clients are just like bold and just wants to go for it. It just keeps things fun in the salon, you know? This is about 2 months after and her gloss faded out. This is natural for a gloss or a demi-permanent color, so it's important to see your stylist about every 8 weeks just to at least refresh the gloss. The second time around, we wanted to go blonder, so we did it a bit brighter in the front and a sandy blonde in the back. I didn't want to push her hair too much, so that's why I went a little darker blonde in the back. But the third time around, we reached the overall blonde that we wanted. That's what you're seeing today, and that's what we're retouching. After about 45 minutes, I shampoo out the bleach, and this is the raw lift we get. You can see her curls are still there. Of course, they're a little loose after getting bleach, but after her hair settles and she deep conditions, they'll definitely bounce right back. Okay, now I'm applying her gloss, and this will give us the natural blonde color we are looking for. I recommend glossing because you don't want to leave your hair this raw yellow color. A gloss will not only add color but shine in a conditioning treatment to close those cuticles back down after bleaching. Glosses are always scary because they process and look so dark. But a quick tip is hair always looks up to 2 levels darker when wet. You'll see how it lightens up once we dry it. Alright, for her blow dry, I'm going in with my emergency miracle treatment from my timelessly curly hair care line. And this will add moisture, seal in her color, help detangle, protect her hair from damage, and smooth split ends in between her trims. Then I'm grabbing Le Doux, which is my style primer. I love this for all my blow dries because it leaves the hair so hydrated. It also helps prevent color fading, smooths out unruly hair, and improves elasticity, so once you wash your hair after heat styling, those curls will bounce right back. Last but not least, I'm going in with my Amethyst Oil. This lightweight oil will help seal in moisture, protect hair from heat styling, speeds up drying time, and adds shine and softness. Links are in the description for all the tools that I use to create my looks. This is great whether you're a stylist or if you just want professional products at home. I got you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to grab my free Curly Girl Planner for growing healthy long curls. In there, I offer a hair regimen, tools, and products that will help you along your curl journey. Link is in the description for that. Alright guys, look how fluffy, lightweight, movable her hair is after this blow dry. We don't do stiff blowouts over here. You can see how the products married together and left her hair looking moisturized and healthy without weighing it down. Okay, so now I'm going back in with my Amethyst Oil as my pressing oil for the day for added heat protection and to give the hair that shiny, silky finish we want. General rule, when I press out hair, I don't go over with heat more than 3 times. Anything else is overkill and will cause heat damage. Also be mindful when you have color in your hair, you don't want to heat style your hair a lot because that can also cause the color to fade out faster. Alright, I'm just showing off that curl. Once I learned how to curl with my flat iron in beauty school, it was game over from there. Alright, as my finishing spray today, I'm going in with my In Control hairspray that has an adjustable nozzle for light, medium, or high hold. This spray helps resist humidity, adds natural shine, and protects from sun damage, and of course maintains a touchable hold. And here we have it, a beautiful natural blonde that complements her complexion. This is our 4th time doing this, and you can see her hair is still healthy and full like the first time she sat in my chair. That's because I'm not only doing my part as a stylist, but she's also taking care of her hair at home and using my products to maintain her hair. If you like this video, I suggest you check out my blonde color correction, where I took my best friend from red to blonde. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next. Bye!